Usually broken, you might be able to get 10 bucks for it. Usually like 20 minus the shipping, minus fees on eBay. Pretty much end up with 10 bucks. So overall, compared to new consoles, is pretty basic thing. This is pretty much low grade. Even the motherboard, I opened it up, it's pretty low grade. The only gold I'm pretty sure is on this motherboard. It's where the game goes. These all have gold pins in here. When I did open the motherboard, I saw some IC chips. This old school stuff, I'm not really sure there is any gold in there, but you never. I'm not an expert. There's also a nice little switch here. Let's take this out. Pretty much, yeah, there you go. So you have a simple switch. I know switches usually, or possibly might have silver in them. Probably not a lot. But as in my first video, I mentioned that if you have one of these in this type of condition, I would say sell it as broken, because you'll get 10 bucks for it broken. The scrap value, I would really be surprised if it's more than $1. So really only scrap this if it's in horrible, broken, beyond repair condition, like massive water damage with broken plastics and cut wires and really completely ruined. That's when you should scrap it, because you'll get about $1, maybe less. If not, sell it as is on eBay, and like I said, you probably can sell it for 20, maybe 15. So you'll get anywhere between 5 and 10 bucks after shipping, after fees and shipping. So I'll be uploading this video very soon, and then I'll follow it up with the part 2 showing what the motherboard or the main board looks on this. And hopefully you guys like this cool little video, this I guess nostalgic video for people who are around for this. This is definitely way before my time. And yeah, you guys get to see what's in one of these bad boys. So like, subscribe. If you guys have any ideas about scrapping something else, let me know. You can leave it in the comment section. I usually reply to all of those pretty quickly. And if I don't, I apologize. So see you in my next video.